In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Midjourney. By the end, you'll have Midjourney running in a clean, app-like window that launches right from your desktop or apps list, making it faster to open and easier to focus on your creative work. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Midjourney and press Enter. You're looking for the official Midjourney site in the results. Always double-check that you're opening the legitimate website to keep your device secure and ensure the install option appears properly. Click through to the Midjourney website. Once the page loads, we're going to turn this site into an app using your browser's built-in install feature. This doesn't install a separate program in the traditional sense. Instead, it creates a progressive web app, which opens in its own window without the usual browser tabs and address bar. It's lightweight, quick to launch, and keeps Midjourney just a click away. Now, look to the top right corner of your browser for the three-dot menu. Click it to open the full list of options. In that menu, look for the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. That section groups tools related to saving and sharing the current page. Within that group, find and click Install Page as App. This tells the browser to package the Midjourney site as an app-like experience. A small confirmation window will pop up asking if you want to install. Click Install. Within a moment, your system will create an app entry for Midjourney, add a shortcut, and open it in a dedicated window. From now on, you can launch Midjourney directly like any other app, which helps keep your workflow tidy and distraction-free. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the install option, give the page a second to fully load on the main Midjourney site, then open the three-dot menu again. Keeping your browser updated also helps the Install Page as App option appear consistently. After installation, you can pin the new app to your taskbar or dock for one-click access. That's all there is to it. You started by searching for Midjourney on Google, opened the official site, used the three-dot menu, navigated to Cast, Save, and Share, chose Install Page as App, and confirmed the install. Now you have a clean, app-like Midjourney window ready for your next creative session. Enjoy creating, and I'll see you in the next one.